Best cameras for sports photography. The demand for the best cameras for sports photography continues to grow as more photographers, both beginners and enthusiasts, look for equipment that delivers speed, durability, and sharp image quality. Sports photography requires cameras with fast autofocus, high-resolution sensors, and dependable build quality. In this guide, we evaluate camera type, performance, lens versatility, ergonomics, and overall value to help you choose the best option for capturing action-packed moments with precision.
Product number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR kit is an excellent entry-level solution for sports photographers who want quality performance without a high price tag. The included EF 18 to 55mm lens captures wide-angle scenes, while the EF 75 to 300mm telephoto lens brings distant action closer, ideal for field sports, motorsports, and fast-moving subjects. Its 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor delivers sharp, vibrant images, and the built-in autofocus system performs reliably in well-lit environments. The T7's optical viewfinder offers minimal lag, making it easier to track moving athletes. Though not the fastest in burst shooting, it still provides consistent performance for beginners. With Wi-Fi connectivity, durable construction, and Canon's renowned color science, this kit delivers strong overall value for newcomers stepping into sports photography.
Product number 2. XNSIA-KXA 8K Camera. This 8K digital camera is designed for photographers wanting incredibly high resolution and modern features. With an impressive 88 MP sensor, it captures highly detailed images suitable for sports environments where clarity is crucial. The dual lens design allows flexibility between standard and telephoto shooting, while the 16x digital zoom helps frame distant action, though digital zoom is best used sparingly to maintain quality. Its autofocus performs surprisingly well for fast movement, making it a solid choice for amateur sports shooters. The addition of Wi-Fi connectivity allows instant file transfers for social media or YouTube content creation. While not a traditional DSLR or mirrorless camera, its lightweight handling, intuitive controls, and ultra-high resolution make it a capable option for those wanting a budget-friendly but feature-packed device. Product number 3. Kodak PixPro AZ405-BK 20MP Digital Camera. The Kodak PixPro AZ405-BK combines simplicity with powerful zoom capabilities, making it a convenient bridge camera for sports enthusiasts. Its 20MP sensor and 40x optical zoom allow you to capture midfield action or zoom into distant players with surprising clarity. The 24mm wide-angle lens ensures versatility, whether photographing large stadium environments or tight indoor courts. Optical image stabilization helps reduce motion blur, particularly helpful for handheld shooting at full zoom. Though not as fast or advanced as DSLRs or mirrorless systems, the PixPro AZ405 is easy to use, lightweight, and perfect for beginners or casual sports photographers. It offers strong value for users who want a long zoom camera without the complexity of interchangeable lenses.
Product number 4. Cinene 4K Digital Camera. The Cinene digital camera is a versatile hybrid designed for both photography and video, making it an appealing option for sports creators who shoot games, practices, or behind-the-scenes content. Its 64-megapixel sensor provides crisp photos, while 4K video ensures smooth, detailed footage, ideal for documenting fast-paced movement. The responsive touchscreen improves control, and Wi-Fi features simplify file transfers. While not equipped with interchangeable lenses, its built-in optics and lightweight design make it convenient for on-the-go shooting. Its compact size is especially beneficial for vloggers or parents capturing youth sports. This camera blends affordability, modern features, and ease of use to deliver solid all-around performance for beginners who want both video and photo capability in one device.
Product number 5. NBD 64MP Digital Camera. The NBD 64MP digital camera is aimed at creators who need high-resolution photography and reliable video capabilities. With a 64MP sensor and 5K video recording, it offers excellent sharpness and clarity, great for capturing fast-action sports moments. Its autofocus is responsive enough for most casual sports scenarios, and the compact design makes it easy to carry around events. This camera also includes user-friendly controls, making it suitable for beginners transitioning into sports photography or content creation. While it lacks the advanced lens options found on DSLRs and mirrorless cameras, its image quality, portability, and affordability make it a compelling choice for those who want a capable device for both sports images and YouTube videos without investing in high-end gear.